It's Monday, January 27th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Profile PR and Strategies. Interest rates back in our spotlight again to start the week, and while the consensus isn't exactly unanimous, the general view among analysts has lower inflation and a still sleepy economy, convincing the Bank of Canada to cut its key lending rate again on Wednesday to 3%, even from the current 3.25%, ahead of the latest economic growth update, which is due out on Friday. Have you heard about the latest strike threat on the train tracks? International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, representing signal workers, hitting CN Rail with strike notice, a walkout possible as early as Tuesday, the notice backed by a 95% strike mandate. Updated daily, it's Canada's Business Beat on Twitter, Blue Sky, and wherever you get your favorite podcasts, sponsored by Profile PR and Strategies, empowering business to tell their stories with expert media training, profile building, crisis management, and much more at profilepr.ca. A bullish outlook for homeowners in BC looking to sell. The latest forecast from the province's Real Estate Association, anticipating 2025 closings will jump more than 14% over last year to well over 85,000. We've got the price of gold back in focus this week, surging toward an all-time high. Uncertainty surrounding U.S. monetary policy and Japan's decision to raise interest rates, pushing gold to within striking distance of around $2,800 an ounce. Attention Kia drivers, faulty wiring that could prevent airbags from deploying is behind a major recall. 2023 to 25 hybrids, plug-in hybrids, and Nero EVs impacted. And checking the Business Beat radar for the week, grocery and pharmacy giant Metro will have first quarter earnings on Tuesday. Q4 results from CPKC Rail on Wednesday. CN Rail, Rogers Communications, and StatsCan job vacancies highlight the calendar on Thursday, and November economic growth data and Imperial Oil's Q4 numbers will be in on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday, the 27th. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Profile PR and Strategies.